Give me razor, give me sharpener, give me ball, give me book. Take your pen, take your pencil. Get up. What is the time? Clean the floor. Wash your hand, wash your mouth, wash your face, wash your leg. Look at me, look at the sun, look at the stars. Please watch the TV programs. Please sit on the sofa. I am sitting on the chair. The birds are flying in the sky. The fishes are swimming in the river. He was waiting for you. Conversations. Hi Rekha, how are you? I am very upset for you because I have not any response from you. Sorry, because I am very busy. I am joining in the new jobs, so I have not any time because I am trying also to see you. Okay, I am waiting for to seeing you. Noun. Umbrella noun, apple noun, mango noun, tree noun, frog noun, dolphin noun. Pronoun I, you, he, she, we. Verb go, come, return, sleep, find. Adverb slowly, fast. Prepositions beside, behind, under, with, in, on. Conjunctions and but or interjections. Hi, hure, also. Present indefinite tense. I go to the school. You come here. He eats rice. Present continuous tense. I am eating rice. Present perfect tense. I have gone to the school. Present perfect tense. I have been going to the school. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect tense. I have gone to the school. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been going to the school. Past tense. Past indefinite tense. I went to the school. Past continuous tense. I had going to the school.